Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the breaker and verify with a voltage tester so you don't risk a shock. Remove the existing switch and note line, load, neutral, ground wires. Label them if needed. Open the Homemate app and select Add Device so the phone is ready during wiring. Once done, loosen terminal screws on the smart switch and insert labeled wires. Secure neutrals together if required. Make sure connections are tight to prevent arcing and faulty communication later. With wires connected and the smart switch mounted loosely, restore power briefly to enter pairing mode. This minimizes time with the wall open. Put the switch into the app-specified pairing sequence, watch the LED pattern and press the physical button as instructed. Use a 4 GHz Wi-Fi network because many smart switches don't support 5 GHz. Input SSID and password carefully, then confirm pairing. Once paired, the app will update firmware if needed. Allow updates so that you finish by switching power off again, tightening all terminals, and securing the switch and faceplate so nothing vibrates. Restore power and test manual toggles, app control, and any scenes or schedules you set. If lights flicker or respond slowly, calibrate load or disable minimum load settings in the app. This corrects sensitivity. If the device didn't pair, perform the factory reset sequence on the switch and reattempt pairing. This clears prior network states and usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.